Hi students, we have been learning the lesson The Rat Trap written by Selma Lagerlof. Describe the rat trap seller. His clothes were in rags, cheeks were sunken, and hunger gleamed in his eyes. What were the philosophical thoughts made by the rat trap seller? The whole world was nothing but a big rat trap. And there are many baits inside it. So, as soon as anyone gets tempted to touch the bait, it will close on him and everything comes to an end. Now we are going to the story. One dark evening, as he was wandering along the road, he caught sight of a little cottage by the roadside. So one day, while he was wandering through the road, he saw a little cottage by the roadside. And he knocked on the door to ask shelter for the night. He knocked on the door to ask for shelter. Sir, will you please allow me to stay here for one night? Sir, I am a homeless man. Nor was he refused. He was not at all refused. The man inside the house, he was an old man. He did not refuse the request of this rat trap seller. Instead of the sore face, khatta face, which ordinarily met him. So normally, whenever he comes in front of a house, he meets sore faces. But here, instead of the sore face which ordinarily met him, the man, the owner, who was an old man without a wife or child, he was very happy to get someone to talk to in his loneliness. He became very happy because he was a lonely man. He had no wife or children. He became very happy to get someone to talk to in his loneliness. So how did the old man treat the rat trap seller? Immediately he put the porridge pot on the fire. जिसमें porridge बनाया, वो liquid food बनाया, वो pot गर्म करने के लिए put on the fire and gave him supper. Supper is the last meal of the day, especially at night. And gave him supper, and then he carved off such a big slice from his tobacco roll. He cut off such a big slice of tobacco, which was enough both for the stranger's pipe and his own pipe. वो इतना टोबैको काट लिया, खुद का पाइप के लिए भी काफी था और स्ट्रेंजर का पाइप के लिए, पाइप जो जाता है वो पाइप में वो टोबैको डालेगा, देन स्मोक करेंगे. तो he cut off such a big slice of tobacco, and then he got out an old pack of cards. ताश की पत्ता निकाल दिया and played Meolis. J in phonology is pronounced as ya, not to ja. Meolis with his guests until bedtime. Bedtime तक, रात तक ये old man ये rat trap seller के साथ बैठ के खेला भी. So how did the old man treat the rat trap seller? He welcomed him, gave him supper, gave him tobacco, and even played with him until bedtime. And you know that the rat trap seller, he was a thief. The old man was as generous, kind, with his confidence, as with his porridge and tobacco. He was not only generous but also kind. He rat Buddha Atmi not only generous but he was kind. That is why he gave him porridge and tobacco. The guest was informed. ये guest को ऐसे inform किया. Who is the guest here? The rat trap seller. The rat trap seller was informed. The old man informed the rat trap seller that in his days of prosperity, उनका समृद्धि के टाइम पे, उनका good टाइम के समय पे, his host, who is the host here? The old man. He had been a crofter. Crofter means one who takes land as rent. रेंट पे काम लेके काम करने वाला. At रामसिव आयरन वर्क्स is a name of a colony. ये रामसिव आयरन वर्क में एक क्रॉफ्टर था and had worked on the land. खेत में काम भी करता था. ये host, the old man, informed the rat trap seller that when he was in his good time, ये कौन था? एक क्रॉफ्टर था. खेत किराए पे लेके काम करने वाला था. And he worked on the land. Land में काम भी करता था. But now that he was no longer able to do day labor. But now, because of his old age, because of his weak condition, he cannot do day labor. It was his cow which supported him. अब इनको सपोर्ट कर रहे उनका गाय. Yes. That bossy means a cow, was extraordinary. It is not an ordinary cow. It is an extraordinary cow. And she, the cow, could give him milk for the creamery every day. हर दिन डेयरी के लिए दूध देती थी. And last month, he had received all of it 30 kroner in payment. ये गाय का दूध बेच के 30 क्रोनर कमाया. क्रोनर करेंसी स्वीडन का करेंसी है. अब गाय का दूध बेच के 30 क्रोनर कमाना, इट इज नॉट एन ऑर्डिनरी थिंग. जस्ट इमेजिन करो ये गाय का दूध बेच के मगेरा 30,000 रुपये कमा रहे ऐसे. तो ये ओल्ड मैन ये रैट ट्रैप सेलर को ऐसे बताया था, देखो मेरा अच्छा टाइम पे मैं कौन था? एक क्रॉफ्टर था. एंड हैड वर्कड ऑन द लैंड, बट नाउ आई एम अनएबल टू डू डे लेबर. हाँ, इट्स माय काउ व्हिच सपोर्ट्स मी. दिस काउ इज एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी. शी गिव्स मिल्क फॉर द creamery every day. And last month I collected 30 kroner in payment. अब ये रैट ट्रैप सेलर ये सुनने के बाद he stood with wide open eyes, unbelievably. Then the stranger must have seemed incredulous, unbelievable. Because the old man got up, this man stood up, went to the window and took down a leather pouch, एक leather bag निकाल दिया, which hung on a nail in the very window frame. Window frame में एक कील पे एक बैग लगा हुआ था, वो बैग निकाल दिया. And then what did he do? He took out 3 wrinkled मुड़ा हुआ 10 kroner notes, bills, notes. ये बोल के ये आदमी he went to the window. There was a nail in the window frame. वो कील पे एक बैग लटका हुआ था. He took out the bag. वो बैग के अंदर से 3 wrinkled 10 kroner bills नोट बाहर निकाल के इनको दिखाया. So the rat trap seller became incredulous, unbelievable. This ये पैसा he held before the eyes of his guest. Who is the guest? Rat trap seller के आंखों के सामने दिखा रहे, nodding, knowingly, जानबूझ के. Why did the old man nod his head knowingly? According to the writer, it was a bait to trap the rat trap seller. राइटर की कहने में ये क्या था? एक चारा था to trap the old rat trap seller. ये 30 करोड़ ये rat trap seller के सामने दिखा रहे. देखा है 30 करोड़ तुम पहले कभी देखा है? And he did not know that the man was a thief. And then stuffed them back into the pouch. उसके बाद वापस वो leather bag पे रख दिया. The next day, both men got up in good season, good health, good condition. The crofter was in a hurry to milk his cow. He was very busy in milking the cow, and the other man, rat trap seller, probably thought, Socha, he would not stay in bed when the head of the house had gotten up. When the head of the house, Malik, उठ के काम कर रहे, then it is not good for me to sleep there. ये सोच के he also got up. They left the cottage at the same time. दोनों एक ही टाइम पे cottage से निकल गए. The crofter locked the door and put the key in his pocket. Crofter वो दरवाजा बंद कर दिया, चाबी पॉकेट में डाल दिया. And then the man with the rat trap said thank you and goodbye, and each thereupon each went on his own way. दोनों अपना अपना रास्ते में निकल गए. रैट ट्रैप सेलर अपना रास्ते में गए और ये क्रॉफ्टर he went to the creamery, dairy में भी गए. But half an hour later, the rat trap peddler, one who walks, चलने वाला, ये rat trap आवारा stood again before the door. पता नहीं. After half an hour, the same rat trap seller reached in front of the door. He did not try to get in. अंदर जाने के लिए कोशिश नहीं किया. He only went up to the window. सीधा went up to the window, smashed, broke the pane glass, stuck in his hand, हाथ अंदर घुसा दिया, took down the leather pouch और leather bag बाहर निकाल दिया, and he took the leather pouch with the 30 kroner, and he took the money and thrust it into his own pocket. Then he hung the leather pouch very carefully back in its place and went away. देखो, how did the old man treat the rat trap seller? He welcomed him, gave him food, gave him tobacco, and even played with him until bedtime. How did the rat trap seller treat the man? How he stole the 30 kroner of the crofter and went away from there. Then what happened? Did he escape with the money? Was he caught by the police? हम देखेंगे in the next class. Thank you. Let us see again. Bye bye.